Hello everyone, Professor Hastings here again. I just wanted to take a couple of minutes and share my top 5 creative course development tools right now. And I know that all my professor and teacher friends are busy trying to create and redesign their courses for hybrid format or online format. And there's so many things that are out there that can help us with this. In this case, all 5 of these are powerful, fully functional applications that are made available for free to educators. The first one I'm going to show you is Mural. It is a powerful facilitation application that the top facilitation companies in the US use. I highly recommend Mural. With each of these, you're not going to be having to start from scratch. There's going to be lots of templates and lots of things for you to use to get to know the applications and to figure out what works for your courses. There are also a lot of great video tutorials on all of these applications. In some cases, some have their own YouTube sites that have a ton of trainings on them. Second application is Loom. This is a really cool video application, and there's lots of ways that you can use this to create your videos for your courses and to also get your students to create videos for your courses. In many cases, I think almost all cases, I'm not sure about Whimsical, we'll get to that in a second, but in most cases, these applications also have iOS, Android, and tablet versions of the applications, which makes them really creative and flexible. So highly recommend Loom for cool, quick, and dirty video. Miro is also a collaborative whiteboard application, and it is also very popular. You can see there's lots of different ways that you can use these applications. In the case of Miro, you also have a really robust template gallery, so you're not starting from scratch, and you can build and change and modify what they have provided and through their websites. The fourth application is Whimsical. This is also a visual workspace, but it also has, this one is a little more pared down. It's not quite as robust as some of the others, and face it, many of us don't need a really hardcore, robust application for some of the things that we're doing, so please check all these out and see if it's the right fit for you. In terms of Whimsical, anybody that knows me knows I love a good mind map, and they have a really great mind map application that is quick and easy to learn. Very low learning curve for Whimsical. The last application I'm sharing is Notion, and this is my productivity, organizing, keep it all together, build it, design it application. You'll know if you haven't tried Notion and you check it out, you will see that I don't even know what the limits of this app are yet. So also with Notion, there are tons of templates, and I just wanted to point out this section that's just for students and educators on their site, and they have a bunch that you can start with right from the get-go and modify and change. Now this is built on a lot of relational database possibilities. Don't let that scare you if you don't understand what that means, but for my people out there that understand what that means, you can get a quick glimpse of how powerful this can be for your organization. So Notion also has the mobile apps. So these are 5 fabulous, free for educators, and many of them are also free for students. so we can use these in creating the most robust, interactive, hybrid, and online courses possible for the coming fall semester. And I hope that you take a look at them and that you find something useful. Good luck. Take care.